Although the Chrome web browser keep getting better, it's normally to run into issues when using it on your computer occasionally if you are trying to visit in a website and when you are presenting an error message that reads your clock is ahead or your clock is behind, do not get phased. So it's just like it's a fixable issue, and I'll teach you how to clear the error in this post. Simply, you need to close it. Now, fix incorrect date and time on your PC. Security certificates help your browser keep you safe on the internet. If your device, mobile or PC data is incorrect, it could muddle up Chrome ability to verify a website security certificate. That is another reason why you would see your clock is ahead error on your computer screen. To fix it, simply you need to click on this clock, the right click on this clock, and then adjust date and time. Once you over here, now you will see here set time automatically. The second option is set the date and time manually. So the first option is better. Just check this on, turn this on, and click on the synchronize, so it will automatically match your time. But in some cases, time zone matters a lot because some countries have different UTC. Like right now I'm from Pakistan, Islamabad, Karachi, so it's +5. So in case if I'm going on London or somewhere else, so it's +4 or +3, so it will change your time definitely. So in that case might be you are facing, so set your exact time zone over here, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed 100%. Now this time if you go on the Chrome and this time if you browse any website, it will work fine. Like let's go again on the same query, and this time you can see you can browse any website without getting the time zone error, the time error or anything. So this is the easiest way, guys. You can fix your problem. I hope this video really helpful for you. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.